Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread in the air fryer. First, gather your ingredients: ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, and baking soda. Mash 3 to 4 very ripe bananas until they are smooth. This ensures a moist and flavorful loaf. Next, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for even baking and a perfect texture. Now let's mix the batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, mix your mashed bananas, ½ a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of oil. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Pour your delicious banana bread batter into a greased 6-inch air fryer safe pan. Make sure the pan fits comfortably in your air fryer basket. Cook the banana bread at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. If not, cook for a few more minutes. Almost ready to enjoy. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents it from breaking apart. Then, carefully remove the loaf from the pan and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve your warm, homemade air fryer banana bread. It's perfect with a cup of coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.